राय
GR Music.
Let's give a round of applause for Mama Joe. छोड़ के कहता हूँ प्लीज
and you have very appropriately named it as the welcome party as the Unity Fair. So, Patiala unites you together. This is the unity. This university has so many things to offer to you, and while you are abilities, try to learn whatever you can learn. This will give you feeling of Punjab. At the same time, we organize so many functions where it will give you feeling and aroma of the other states of the country. Because there's always a element of curiosity in your mind to know about other countries. It's there in the case of the states also, but here it is countries, 40 countries on the stage. And of course, I was told that there's going to be some Punjabi dance also at some point of time, as to know and to see. Dean International Student and Dean Student Welfare and other faculty members, those who are involved in. I hope you are enjoying. I'm addressing this thing too because I'm not addressing this thing to the old students. You are already enjoying the atmosphere of the university. I'm just addressing.
Welcome to Punjab! Take your time. Yes, yes, yes. South with their different they shine brighter than give it up for Uganda!
Appreciate our guests for taking this time to join us today, and would like to welcome them, Dean Academic Affairs, Professor.
Request our university's registrar, Dr. to accept our token of gratitude. Next.
Show, fashion show, culture show.